welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video will be on how I do spa at home using natural ingredients. So we spent almost 5 to 600 rupees on in salons while doing spa. Also the spa creams, be it L'Oreal or Matrix, they are so much expensive, like they exceeds 500 rupees I think these days. So I think we should search for alternatives to this, and natural remedies are the best to replace this. So I'm not gonna speak a lot, so let us start with the video now.
For this we need some hibiscus flowers with their leaves, one medium-sized onion, coconut oil and any conditioner that you use daily. So now I will take the hibiscus flower and the leaves and grind it in a mixer grinder and mix it into a fine paste. So this is the consistency we require. Now I will heat some coconut oil. And now I'll put the onions into it. I will stir it till it turns brown. The onions have turned brown, so I'm going to take it out of the oil. After the oil cools down, I'm going to pour it into the paste of hibiscus and leaves. Now I'm using my Sunsilk conditioner. You can use your own conditioner. A very little will do because hibiscus is with the deep conditioning properties as well. Now I will mix it pretty well. And here our paste is ready. So you can see here my hair looks really greasy and unhealthy. I'm going to part it into two sections. We should always comb our hairs from the lower part. I will take a towel so that the paste doesn't fall on my top. So I will apply it on my scalp and throughout the length of my hairs. It will be best if you keep the paste on your hairs for 1 hour. So I have applied it throughout my hairs and now I will tie it into a bun. Since I don't have a steaming machine, I have dipped my towel into hot water and now I will wrap it around my hairs. I will keep it for 5 minutes. The steaming is over, so now I will wash my hairs and I will be back in few minutes.
So I have washed my hairs and this is how my hair looks after drying. It is not fully dried, but I think still you can see the difference. I mean, I can literally feel the difference. So it has really become shiny and soft. So I would like to include one thing here, that after washing your hairs, you may see that some residues are left over in your hairs, like those small leaf particles may retain. You don't have to worry about it, and if that really bothers you a lot, then what you can do is that you can directly put the hibiscus flower and the leaves in the coconut oil, and you can just retain it after boiling, like the way I did with the onions. Or else you can just mix it in the grinder and put it inside a cotton cloth, and you can just squeeze it and just take out the juice of it, and that would also not cause the retention of any particles in your hairs. And if you don't want to use any natural remedies, then I suggest that you should use the Matrix Opticare. This is a spa cream. It costs rupees 685, so it is a little costly, so please think before buying this. You can use this. The procedure will be same. In place of the paste, you have to apply this one, and the steaming process will be the same. We should take steam while doing spa. Like, I cannot even explain how much hibiscus is good for your scalp and your hairs. It just prevents freeze of your hairs, it prevents dryness, split ends and breakage of your hairs. Then what else? It just nourishes your hairs, it restores the nutrients your scalp has lost. Same goes for onion. Onion is also with such good properties for your hairs, like it is good in nourishing, it promotes new hair growth and many more. And I don't think I have to tell about coconut oil, because we all are aware of what coconut oil is capable of. You should do spa twice a month, or if you don't get time, once a month is just enough. So please try it at home and share your results in the comment section. So yeah, this was the video all about. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Hit that bell icon so that you stay updated and get notification whenever I post a new video. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.